Welcome friends to the video. Hope you are doing really good today. And in this video, I am going to show you how you can make a passive income with a protocol called Eonian DAO. And better than that, they say that it is sustainable and it's realistic and it is going to be long term. You can see here on the site that Eonian DAO is a decentralized yield aggregator on the Binance Smart Chain with multiple smart contracts to collect and reinvest rewards in a way that maximizes your profit. On their white paper, they also say, developed by a team with rich experience in enterprise software development, Eonian integrates best practices from traditional software fields into the DeFi world, providing an innovative and secure platform for investments. If you're not sure what a yield aggregator is, it's basically a project which automates the process of staking and then collecting those rewards for you and distributing them to you. So it's making it a lot easier for you and it cuts down on the gas fees for you too. It's a very simple premise. What they plan to do is to take that money that you stake and then go away, look for other really good DeFi projects, invest in those projects, take profit from those projects, and then give it back to you in the form of staking rewards. They differentiate themselves from other protocols by doing independent audits of the projects that they will invest in, which does look beyond the code towards the human element behind it. So things like project management, tokenomics, socials, community, TVL, forks, team experience, and so on. They also adapt to market conditions to strike a balance between securing investments and providing high APYs. Their goal is to provide a consistent 10% APY on stablecoins and 4% on Bitcoin and Ethereum. Those are some pretty solid APYs if you can consider what, say, a bank or a savings account might give you. So this is going to be really attractive because it is also a little bit higher than some of the APYs on other common platforms that do things like staking stable coins. Usually it's quite low, nearly as low as like 2 or 3%. So you can see here's sort of the flow of how it works. So first of all, you deposit your tokens into the protocol. Second of all, the project automatically picks up the high yielding protocols and investment strategies in the DeFi space. And obviously the team is behind this. Then they diversify deposited token amounts across profitable portfolios, minimizing risk and maximizing expecting yield. Then the investment, they invest into the protocol, and this is where the aggregation comes in. So they automatically collect rewards from all existing strategies at the optimum time and exchanges them for the desired token. And then they do reinvest, so they're compounding. So while you sleep, the protocol reinvests back into the underlying protocols, choosing the most favorable market conditions and monitoring it. So they consistently monitor all the changes and events related to the protocols in which has been invested and withdraw. So you can withdraw your invested funds effortlessly anytime you need without any limitations. There's no word yet on the length of the staking periods, but judging from just what it said on the protocol, it could be any amount of time. But usually with the staking periods, they are for a set amount of time. So the protocol knows exactly how long it's sort of got that money to play with until you perhaps want it back and you withdraw it. And you can see here that the team is doxed, and you can check out their LinkedIn profiles if you like. And the project isn't actually out yet. So this is really good news for you if you want to get in it. There is actually a wait list where you can go through and do beta testing and get to know about it all for the chance of getting some sweet rewards. What might be interesting to you too is that they have an ambassador program which anyone can join. You know, you don't have to be an influencer, you just need to do certain things to help the protocol. For example, doing educational tweets or community building. You'll get elevated status in their socials, and you'll be able to earn future Eonian tokens, plus more like earning through competitions and airdrops. This is a really simple protocol with a really simple idea, and you don't really have to do a whole lot with it to be able to earn from it, which is really, really good. You know, some protocols are stupendously complicated, and sometimes you're not even sure exactly where your money is or what you're doing or how you can fully take full advantage of the protocol. But this one makes it super simple. All you do is stake, they go away and do whatever with that money, and then you can unstake, or if you keep it staked, then you just keep getting that APY. The only sort of drawback a little bit with this protocol, I think, is that they don't intend to launch until the latter half of 2024. But you can actually get involved in it a lot earlier, and they are going to be doing beta testing in the first half of 2024. And as a reward for doing the beta testing and helping them find bugs and perhaps making suggestions about what could be better and just generally giving any sort of constructive criticism and feedback, they said that they might be giving away rewards in the Eonian token. But what's really good with this project too, and maybe this sort of goes against what I just said then a little bit, is that they're taking a lot of time to get this done, you know, and they're not just trying to get like, boom, let's get it out there and let's not sort of worry about all the audits and all the checks and everything else. They're taking their time, and any project that has a team which does take its time to get things done, then that's the type of project that you want to look at, especially if the team is doxed. And right now, you know, we are in a bear market, but the market is sort of slowly starting to shift, or it's slowly starting to see signs of life. So as I've said in a lot of previous videos too, it's the projects right now which are building and which are developing and which are getting set up right now. You could almost call it quietly sort of running along in the background. These are the projects right now which are going to be well positioned in the bull run. And for getting in the project early, you know, as a reward, and for doing that effort and for putting the effort to research and actually find it, you know, you're going to be rewarded for that later on. So my friends, I do hope that you like this project and you have found it useful, and maybe it's something that you do want to check out a little bit more. What do you think about this project? I'd really, really love to know. Please leave a comment. And until next time, I'll see you all in the next video. Bye.